In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create list in Brevo. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Brevo account and how to set up a new list so you can organize your contacts more effectively. To begin, log into your Brevo account. When you open your browser and reach the Brevo sign-in page, enter your login details and sign in. Once you are logged in, you should be taken to your main dashboard area. Take a moment to make sure you are inside the account that you want to work on because list changes are tied to the specific account you are using. Now that you are in, you will navigate to the Contacts tab in the top menu. Look along the top navigation bar for the Contacts option. Click it to move to the section where Brevo manages audience and contact-related tools. This is the place where lists live, so getting here first is what sets you up for the right options. After you select Contacts, you will find Lists from the left-hand sidebar. On the left side of the screen, there should be a menu with several items. Find the one labeled Lists and click it. This will shift the interface from General Contact Management into the area dedicated specifically to creating and managing lists. At this point, you are ready to start a new list. Click the plus Add a New List button. The plus button usually appears near the top of the Lists area, or it may be positioned at the side depending on your screen layout. When you click it, Brevo will open a form or a creation panel where you can enter the details for your list. Next, enter a name for your list. This name is important because it helps you recognize what the list is for later. Choose something clear and descriptive so it is easy to find when you are organizing campaigns or filtering contacts. For example, use a name that reflects the purpose, audience type, or segment. Brevo will use this name to display your list in the Lists view, so keep it simple and meaningful. Once you have entered the name, you will click Create List. This final action confirms the list and saves it in your Brevo account. After you click Create List, you should see your new list appear in the list management screen. If your interface shows a confirmation message or automatically redirects you back to the list's overview, that is a normal part of the process. Now that your list has been created, you can continue with whatever comes next in your workflow, such as adding contacts or using the list in future messaging. But for the purpose of this tutorial, the key goal was to set up the list container so you have a place to organize your audience. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.